Session interrupted by the Lua 5.1 Engine DLL pop-up. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. It's time to resync your libraries and clear that crash for good. Before diving into the manual fix for Lua 5.1 Engine, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Lua 5.1 Engine, the core execution engine for the Lua 5.1 scripting language. It functions as a lightweight virtual machine that interprets logic for game interfaces, AI routines, and modding frameworks. =reg, Roblox, Gary's mod. Missing this file prevents the game's high-level logic from loading, often resulting in an immediate crash to desktop, CTD, or an engine initialization failed pop-up. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. If your software is failing because of Lua 5.1 Engine DLL, the internal file mapping for Lua Project is likely corrupted. So reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Lua 5.1 engine file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Lua 5.1 Engine. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Lua 5.1 Engine. If your workstation is back online and Lua 5.1 Engine is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.